All right, well, here's a situation where somebody thought they could sharpen their Salon Shears like they would a knife, and they put them through a drag-through knife sharpener. So we got to fix them. I'm going to show you how bad this is. Dry tissue, no matter what, it doesn't cut the dry tissue. This is very, very damaged. Test on hair just to be sure. Look, 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 look. Oh, these are damaged. We got All right, we got him looking better, and we got him cutting pretty good. Not great, because he's done some pretty good damage on these shears. And so, let's take a look at the hair, real hair down there. That's good. Even at the tip, I got it cutting hair. It's not perfect by any means, but at least it's cutting hair now. Don't use a knife sharpener on your hair shears.